National Park. Have you seen a lion?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So nice. We all in a Gir National Park, and today we see a lion and information about a Gir National Park. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Junagadh district, Gujarat. Established 1965. Season mid-October, mid-June, November and February is the best time for sighting the lion. Nearest town, Veeraval 42 km. Main attraction, Asiatic lions. The Gir National Park is located 65 kilometers to the southeast of Junagadh and 60 kilometers to the southwest of Amreli in the Indian state of Gujarat. Next, Haripur, Rajia, Jambuthala, Vaniavav, Dadakali, Timbar and Bavaria. Rivers, Hiran, Setranji, Detraji, Singoda, Machandri, Godavari and Ravat. Pulse, Tulsisham, Kangai, Banet, Kamleswar. Wild animals, 38 species of mammals, around 300 species of reptiles and more than 2,000 species of insects. Time morning 7 to 11 hours. Afternoon 3 to 5 hours. Forest Department of Gujarat. Your website www.greennationalpark.com.
Jai Jai Gir Gujarat.